Let us find the value of lambda here. Carefully follow me to the end and see how it will go. So this lambda equals to cube root of lambda. So try and remove the root so that you can have something like lambda to the power 1 over 3 or to the power of cube of lambda. So lambda will be equals to, you now remove this bracket, you have lambda to the power of cube root of lambda over 3. So to go further now, you now take the log of both sides. So you have log of lambda equals to log of lambda to the power cube root of lambda over 3. Let's continue. So log of lambda will be equals to cube root of lambda over 3 log lambda. Don't cancel. If you do, you lose one of the solution, not 3 items. So log of lambda minus 3 minus cube root of lambda over 3 equals to log lambda equals to 0. Can you see it? So log lambda is common, so you put it out. So you have log of lambda into 1 minus cube root of lambda over 3 equals to 0. It is getting interesting. So we have two cases here. One, lambda, for this to be true, log of lambda will be equals to 0 or 1 minus this equals to 0. So let's take the cases one by one. In the first case, we have log lambda equals to 0. Remember, in logarithm, the log of 10 is 1. Log of 0, see it. Log of lambda equals to, this 0 is like log 1. So from here, you would know that clearly that lambda is equals to 1. In the first case. In the second scenario, you have 1 minus cube root of lambda over 3 equals to 0. So from here, the cube root of lambda over 3 will be equals to 1. So cube root of lambda will be equals to 3. Yes, now. So you now multiply and get this. And to get the value of lambda, you get the cube root of both sides. The cube of both sides. That means you multiply everything by the power of 3. So this one will cancel out the something. So lambda will be equals to 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. That is it. So the value of lambda is either, let's use here please. Lambda is either equals to 1 or lambda equals to 27. And that is how to solve this problem. Wow. If you know what I'm doing, like this video and share it. Bye-bye.